Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? I hope all of you are fine and in good health. This is our English lesson. In this lesson we are going to read the use of is, are, am, and we are going to know what is, are, am actually are. So is, are, am are actually helping verbs. It means they help verbs to complete a sentence. Without these helping verbs, we cannot complete a sentence. There will be no sense of a sentence. For example, if we say for is, if we say he is a boy. If we skip is from this sentence, what will be the sentence? He a boy. Now the sentence does not sound right, it does not have a sense, it looks incomplete. So without is, the sentence is useless. So is used for completing a sentence. It is helping verb which is used to complete a sentence. Now where is used? Is used for singular pronouns, singular nouns or singular pronouns. For example, he is used with he, she, it, or any other singular nouns. For example, Ali, Sarah, cat, elephant, anything singular is used with is. I hope is clear. Is used with he, she, it, or anything singular. For example, he is a boy, she is a girl, it is a cat. All of these sentences have is in them to complete them. Okay, let's move on to are. Now are is a helping verb which is used with the pronoun we and they, or the nouns which are more than one. If we remember correctly, the pronouns we and they were used for the plural nouns. He, she and it were used for singular nouns, and we and they were used for plural nouns where the nouns were more than one. So we and they are used with plural nouns. So we are playing, or they are singing. Both these sentences have are in them to complete them. Without are, if we say we playing, there is no sense in it. They singing, there is no sense in it. So we have to use are to complete the sentence. So are is used where the pronouns or the nouns are more than one or plural nouns. Is used for singular nouns or singular pronouns. Are is used for plural nouns or plural pronouns. Now let's move on to am. Now am is an interesting case because it is always used when we are talking about ourselves. For example, if someone asks you how are you, how do you answer? You answer I am fine. You are talking about yourself, so you say I am fine. Okay. If someone say how old are you, you say I am 6 years old. So when you talk about yourself, then the helping verb am is used. Am is a helping verb which is always used with I. Am is a helping verb which is always used with I. Am does not attach with any other pronoun or noun. It always joined with I to complete a sentence. With I, there will always be am. No I is, no I are, always I am. Like I am fine, I am 6 years old, I am going to school, I am going to drink water. All of these sentences are starting with I. We are talking about ourselves, so we are using am as a helping verb. Let me repeat again for last time. Is used for singular nouns or singular pronouns. For example, he, she, it, or Ali, Sarah, cat. Examples of he, she and it. Ali, Sarah, cat. Okay. Are is used for plural nouns or plural pronouns. For example, we or they, or we can say Sarah and I, Sarah and Ali. ठीक है. Next, move on to am. Am is used when we are talking about ourselves. When we are talking about ourselves, then am is used. Am is used with I. It is always used with I. ठीक है? So this was our lesson. If you have any confusion, you can ask in class or you can ask in the comment section. I will answer it. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.